Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Benny Motale, your upcoming Cameroon YouTuber. So I'm just coming back from the market. I got some stuff because I want to prepare some delicious meal. Here is the cocoyam leaf. I want to prepare ekwang. For those who don't know what is ekwang, just stay tuned and see. Here is some vegetables to cook some soup for another day. There's my crayfish. Fish also. Here is another fish to be stocked for the soup and gari. Also some onions. Guys, things are expensive in the market. Hey, palm oil, imagine this used to be for 700, now it's 1,000 francs since at cost. There's another things outside the bag. So guys, right now I'm starting with the process of preparing my ekwang. I start first by peeling off my cocoyams. After being done with the peelings, I had to wash my cocoyams. I wash it very well. I make sure I wash it twice to remove dirt, and also to wash the grater in which I'll be using to grate the cocoyams. Here I'm grating my cocoyam. This is not easy grating, but finally I was done because I'm used to it. I had to put some salt and water to mix it very well, but making sure not to add much water so it should not be soft. So I was done. I had to take my cocoyam leaf to fix it accordingly so it can ease the tying of my ekwang. So after peeling, I have to rinse it and make sure I rinse it properly in order to remove dirt or dust. In need be, you have to rinse it very well before tying. So at this juncture I was so hungry. I had to take some peper and gari to quench my hunger. You know, preparation of this meal is a whole process. So I was done. I had to drink some water to quench down everything which I've eaten, and I am back in my preparation of the ekwang. So I have to put red oil under the pot in order for it not to get burned. Later I start by tying. I have to take the leaf one by one. Guys, this is the most difficult process in this preparation of meal. You have to be patient and focused while preparing this meal because it exhausts you. It takes your energy, I can say, but nevertheless it's nothing, as you can see. I was done with the tying of my ekwang. It's time for cooking. I have to start cooking this ekwang with the use of hot water. That's me boiling my water. I had to use hot water for it not to scatter. You know, while cooking ekwang, you have to apply technique. You have to be technical in preparing it. That's my hot water I'm applying inside my pot of ekwang. After that, I add some salt, and also I put some crayfish. Crayfish is another most ingredients in preparing this meal. It is necessary. You put your crayfish when preparing it. And there's my dry fish. I love preparing this with dry fish. It's preferable for me any day, anytime with dry fish. Though some people use meat, but I prefer dry fish. I have to add my blended pepper from the freezer. Another most ingredients, country onion and bush pepper. These two, forget it. It holds this thing firmly. So that's me putting my country onion and bush pepper. I put it moderated because I bought the blended one, and I also add some water. I have to shake it with my hands. I'm avoiding spoon. As I said, while cooking this, you have to be technical. Yeah, I'm putting my maggi after being boiled for about 15 minutes. Applying my maggi crayfish, maggi crevette, and also putting my palm oil. I put it moderate. I don't like palm oil, so while cooking, I'm always mindful on how I put palm oil in my dishes. Here I'm using my wooden spoon. As you can see right under there is no bone, and it's still from well tied because of the technique. As I said earlier, you have to be technical while preparing this meal. Tasting it salt is okay. and I had to add a little bit of salt because it was kind of lacking with some water. I love it watery, a little bit watery, although some I love it, but I love it kind of a bit watery. So guys, I was done with the preparation of my delicious meal, African dish called Ekwang. This is it, very yummy and delicious. This meal contains all classes of food, protein, carbohydrate, vitamin, everything you need, it contains it. So that's me serving myself. This is yummy. Just try it if you don't know it or you have never done it before. It's so good, or any day, anytime. So thank guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and to turn on your notification bell for my next video uploading very soon.